Good morning, everybody. My name is Birgitta Ausgrimstotir. I am the CEO and co-founder of Seagrowth. What we do might seem futuristic, but is very real. Cultivating fish out of cells without the need of farming or catching the animal. But to be very clear in the beginning, we are not here to replace the conventional seafoods, but to add something new to the seafood culinary world. Think about this like the sushi once entered the European market. What we are creating is a new category, a real fish, but grown differently, and with a sustainability footprint the ocean can live with. So what we do, we start with a small sample of cells taken from fish eggs. Those cells are naturally created or designed to grow and to divide. But instead of growing in the ocean, we give them all the nutrients they would usually find in nature. Amino acids, minerals, sugars, etc. And instead of floating in seawater, those cells grow inside bioreactors. This is a very carefully controlled environment where temperature, oxygen, pH are just right. And you can think about this as an artificial ocean, only cleaner and more efficient and without any contaminations from antibiotics or microplastics. So over time, those cells, they grow into fish tissue. It's not an intimate, it's a real, genuine fish meat, but without the bones, without the head, and without the scalp. We are working on this in Iceland because Iceland has something unique and rare. We have renewable energy, which is clean and affordable, and making this process much more sustainable. We also have pristine water resources and a long tradition of seafood expertise. Fish is part of what we are in our economy, in our culture, in our kitchen, meaning that we are innovating in a place that deeply understands the value of seafood. Seagrowth was founded just last year, 2024, after we won the biggest competition, startup competition in Iceland. And our prize money became our funding capital. In a short time, we have been able to set up our biotech lab, national funds, and started with our first cultivated salmonoid lines. We have also built partnerships with partners across Europe. And those partnerships are very important because they enable us to create a system for food production from day one instead of having to adjust to the pharmaceutical, very expensive systems. This year of TechBBQ speaks directly to us because scaling up means going from a petri dishes into pilot production and proving that we can make cultivated fish with a price that the market can support. And internationalization is also in our DNA. From day one, we have planned beyond Iceland. Our initial market will be Europe, but of course of Singapore, which is pioneer, and Iceland itself, of course, where chefs and consumers embrace sustainability and innovation. We will start with high-end kitchens. After that, we will go to seafood producers and eventually mainstreaming products like sushi fillings, snacks, and or salmon surimis. Being here at TechBBQ is very important for us. This is where we gain a visibility. This is where we meet partners and investors. This is where we get insights for scaling up and to build a momentum forward to bringing cultivated fish to the market. At Seagrowth, we believe that the future of seafood is choice. The consumer should be able to enjoy real fish that is healthy, that is clean, and that is delicious, whether it comes from the ocean or from a bioreactor. And if we can give people those alternatives while we are reducing the pressure of the marine ecosystem, then we have truly made impact. Thank you. Please, we have a booth over there. We would welcome you for any discussions or feedbacks.